Another country that decided, you know what, peace was never an option. Let me just ignite violence based on what? Religion. The oldest thing. Why are people so dumb? And the top level, the prime
One
minister.
second, one second, one second, one second. These are his views, and after that, I'll put mine. So our views are different on this. We don't.
No, no, no. I'll let you introduce whatever's happening
Okay,
in
I'll
France. Give the context.
yeah, I'll concise it and I'll give the little bit of context. So, Charlie Hebdo, right, the caricature or the magazine kind of thing, who is a satirical magazine, right? It publishes caricatures or pictures or cartoons uh, of everything going on in the world, right? So, in 2015, they also did something like this, and it ignited
Hmm.
violence. Even
And
recently,
guess they didn't learn from that.
they don't have to learn from it, right? It's the point that they stand for
They
freedom
no,
of
they
speech.
knew.
They
So no, no,
knew.
they knew what the response was going to be.
Yes, so don't
Back
do
from
that. That
2015,
response is wrong, so don't do that. It's not like that, right? The response is
because they
wrong.
knew they were in the wrong.
Nah,
Because they
nah.
literally knew they were in the
Nah,
wrong. What you mean
see,
wrong?
if it was a Twitter lash or an internet lash or a peaceful protest or even some little bit violent protest, that is acceptable, understandable. Okay, if the people are claiming ban Charlie Hebdo, okay. What is the point of killing people? Okay, I'll give the further context, then we'll continue on that. So this teacher, I forgot his name. Do you remember his name? Huh? So this teacher, I guess high school teacher, he was teaching history and I guess in religion particular. So yeah, I'm not getting the name of the teacher, but yeah, that's teacher. So uh, he showed this Charlie Hebdo cartoons uh, in the class, and before showing the cartoons, he said or he mentioned that this is a little bit offensive to some people. So the students are allowed to walk away. And then after a week or after 3 4 days or after a brief period of time, he got beheaded by an.
Okay, and so are we just gonna blame the whole community for one
Not
beheading?
really. Why are you including religion or a community in that? That is my problem. There are bad people and good people
Because
in the
people
world.
literally are.
That we are
Because
wrong.
everyone on the internet literally are. What are they doing? They're blaming the whole Muslim community, are they not?
Yeah, exactly. That is wrong. That is wrong. I'm saying that is wrong. Even the Malaysian ex-Prime Minister Mahathir Mohamad, okay, or President, I guess it is Prime Minister. He in the series, in the threads of tweets, in the 12th tweet particular, he said that he glorified the killings, the recent killings in the church, and said that Muslims have all the right to kill people. First of all, it is very wrong to bring the whole
Yeah,
community.
that's just dumb.
That's just
That's just dumb.
exactly. And this set of people, 4 or 5 people doing dumb shit, and then whole community or whole set of people who are maybe against it are getting backlash, and violence is gonna spread out against them. So yeah, that is just plain dumb. We need to stop really associating communities within, and we just need to call them by their name, XYZ or ABC. Okay, don't involve like a Dalit woman got raped or a Muslim guy and a Hindu girl.
People
No,
just love. People just love to use the religious angle
exactly.
whenever they can. It's
Politics.
just
Politics. That's dumb. And it's fucking dumb. And then there are this, I don't know what to say then, cynics who just kill other people. Okay, church ka what was the relation of beheading a lady in the church and killing 2 children and several other dead? I mean, what is gonna do? And then the president Emmanuel Macron takes a very what's that word?
that
With very radical
that
step.
was
Yeah, it's not good, but
so
that was due to politics too.
dumb.
In 2022, elections are gonna come up. His party lost majority recently. Okay, his popular approval among French people is going down because of the country. France is continuously in the Islamic terrorism range. Okay, several attacks have happened. Okay, so what he does this. How? Why? You are a leader. You do not do what everyone wants. You do what is right.
Yeah, he's literally playing on the Islamophobia. It's
Exactly.
funny how whenever Muslims are involved, it's always the word terrorism. It always emerges when the Muslims are involved.
Exactly.
I
And Islamophobia, no, not we do not give those name. Like right now in this context, Turkey and Pakistan played the trump card to give that. Like not the Donald Trump card, it's the
exactly.
trump card. Why would you in
I have never seen any mass shooting that's been happening in the US. I have never seen any one of them branded act of terrorism. Why?
exactly even
As of September 30, no, as of September 30, so we're not including this month, we're in October, right? End of October. So as of September 30, there have been 486 shootings in the US alone. So there are like more days than the entire year, more shootings than there are days in the entire year. There have been 392 deaths and 2444 victims, and we're not even counting the entire month of October. Like none of them gets branded an act of terrorism. People get killed, but whenever a Muslim is involved, oh, they love to bring the word terrorist or terrorism. Your whole religion
exactly
is based on violence. Like, it's so
exactly
dumb.
see
And people are
there are
so gullible.
there are pros and cons in every religion. There is good thing and bad thing. I agree to that, but yeah, just playing it for the
Yeah,
politics, it's
none of your
stupid.
religion is going to teach you bad thing. None. All right, tell me which one of your religion, any religion in the world, tells you to kill anyone who's of the opposite religion.
You know,
Tell me
there are
any
there are
religion.
several
You won't
scripture.
find any.
There are several scripture in every religion which teaches tolerance. As of for the Hindu
Exactly.
religion, I know that there was this. Let me go. There was a scripture where it was saying that there was some havan going on and it was roasting out the bad evils, the rakshasas, right? And when the rakshasas came, the evil people came to stop that havan. The good people, the gods came down to protect that, saying it is right that anyone can roast. Okay, it's not, don't take violence as a form, but ancient scriptures also preach that every religion has some kind of its variant. Why?
Exactly. And even in my own religion, people like, oh, your religion always teaches you violence to kill everyone. Like literally, even in the Quran, it literally says if you kill one people, that will you have sinned equal to as if you have killed all of humanity. And not only that, doesn't matter what religion they are. If you kill any person, it is equivalent to you killing all of humanity. And if someone else has killed one person, even if they are a Muslim, and you just stand by and do not say anything, it is like you have suppressed the voice of whole humanity. That's how much the sin it is. Doesn't matter if they're Muslim, Christian, Hindu, no matter if they are doing wrong. It is directed in every religion, not just Islam, in every
Then
religion that you
why?
have to speak up
Then why isn't
against it.
this?
Otherwise, you're literally involved in it too.
Then why isn't world or religious studies or social media highlighting this aspect? Why are they focusing on just the negative? Why are the
Yeah,
main
because
leaders not
exactly
propagating this?
people love to spread negativity, fear. That's what gets them
So
elected. That's what get their point
So
across.
why don't religious
That's
leaders
what
teach this?
benefits
That they have
them.
such a good framework of
They do.
rules.
Yeah, they do. The only difference is they do. Only difference is like, alright, if you were a proper Muslim, then you'll know about all the religious leaders and all the religious teachings.
So
And
ignorance.
but if you were just a like if you were a Christian, you would have absolutely no idea about any of this. Why? Because it's not that widespread. Mainstream media is not gonna cover anything. Why? Because it doesn't give them views. They're not gonna spread peace and everything. They literally work. They feed off on negative and TRPs and views like that, and it's just disgusting. Like
You know,
for once, all I
to
wish is
coincide,
everyone could just come together
to
and
coincide
have
with,
like one point.
you said no, everyone come together. I'll say something on that after I complete this. Okay, I have three things to say here in short, in brief. I also tweeted this first. France should
Oh, well,
stop
let me
their.
bring up your Twitter.
No, don't. It's not on
Go on,
that.
go. No,
Okay, for your
I'm
reference.
just
Yeah.
looking at mine. Go
Okay.
on.
Okay.
Yeah.
So first, France should stop their attitude of holier than thou, right? They're like we are the propagators of free speech, liberalism, yeah, wo. Okay, I understand. You are at good place, but before 2 or 300 years, man, you were haramis. I don't know what to say that in English, but yeah,
That,
they colonized
that
the
was
whole
just
world.
dumb.
Nah, they colonized the whole world. They did not give freedom of speech, liberalism to other countries, right?
I know my history. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. So that's dumb. Now don't act like that. Second, the people who are offended has a right to get offended. Has a right to have
Obviously,
peaceful.
exactly.
Has a right to conduct peaceful protest. Even cancel out the Charlie magazine. I agree to that, but you need to keep it in your pants. do not kill anyone,
Exactly.
right? And I don't know like why beheading such a horrendous crime is there. Man, just beat the shit out of that professor. Okay, just don't behead him, right? And this blasphemy law is, I don't know. I know that people are gonna get offended, but blasphemy law has to get updated in every religion. Every religion has a form of that. Okay, no religion. Every religion has a community who take dissent on even
Yeah,
people.
there are always going to be radicals. Doesn't matter what religion you follow.
Exactly.
There are always going to be extremes in that. And the worst thing is, they are literally the one that are getting highlighted the most out of anything.
Exactly, and even the population, Muslim population is so high in the world. I don't know the exact figures, but yeah. So then world is,
1.4, I
I
think,
guess,
something billion.
yeah. So it's one fourth or one third, whatever it is, right? And then the world is divided, right? OPEC countries, Islamic countries, and then the rest of the world. Why? Why? Just, just say yes. What is just
Yeah, 1.8 billion Muslims.
see such a huge.
24% of the global population. So yeah, literally one fourth of the
Exactly.
global
So if we
population.
go by stats, even though the more the population, the more the radical people will be like comparatively.
Exactly. Like you can have literally 1,000 people preaching everything good about it. They're not gonna get highlighted. But if you have literally five people doing dumb stuff, and doesn't matter if they're not even following their religion, they're just like, oh, Islam is our religion, but we don't care. But the whole blame is gonna be shifted to Islam and all the Muslims. And that's just so dumb.
I agree.
Like imagine they, so the same France president, like this, he's branding this as freedom of speech. Now imagine the same extremists, if they were to draw Jesus as gay or something like that, imagine the outroar that would be.
See, then the
Like,
only
would
radicals
that
would be
still
there.
be freedom
No,
of
no, no, no,
speech?
no. That radicals only would be there. Okay, every other people is gonna take
Exactly.
dissent, but like not everyone is gonna kill each other. Yeah, there would be
Exactly.
radical
and
people.
and people from all the religion are gonna say that this is not right. Doesn't matter if you're Christian or a Hindu or a Muslim. If they do that to the Jesus, their people are gonna say this is not good, this is wrong, this is not right at all.
See, if you
It's
ask,
not like, oh, I'm not gonna say, oh, just because I'm from a different religion, I have nothing to do with it, I'll just go sit there and watch. No, that's not how it works. If they're doing it wrong, if it's wrong, then you literally have to call it out as it's wrong.
I
Exactly.
on my personal opinion, I have no problem with mocking any religion, or I don't mock religions because I understand that it hurts people's sentiments, but I enjoy the jokes. Not gonna lie, but of course we are yet not that much tolerant to joke about it, so just don't joke about it.
Yeah,
And if you want to joke
exactly.
about it, then
Joke only if you know the other person is going to take it well. You don't have to joke it in public like you are a magazine with
but no, no, no.
millions and
It is a
millions of
satirical
followers.
magazine. Okay, it is a satirical magazine, and the art and
Yeah,
culture is
yeah,
what
and so
propagates.
most of the people probably took it as a joke,
Yeah,
but of course it's gonna be widespread because it is like to the extreme.
yeah.
You
See,
just
first,
don't make jokes about religion, simple as that.
no
Like,
joke about
do not
joke
include
about religion, but I
anything
would say,
anything about religion into
see,
politics. Just leave it
they
alone.
have the right to publish it because they are a satirical magazine. Okay, they are not. They are saying they're a satirical magazine. It's a joke. Okay, if
Yeah,
but
but
to
there's a
mock it,
joke. There's a difference between making a joke.
and
There's a
it's
difference
subjective
between making a
and
joke
offending someone,
and literally,
but
literally trying to wrong do that. There's a difference. Like if you
it's
were to make a
subjective.
joke, alright,
It's
that would be good.
it's subjective. It's if you don't like it, just cancel
Yeah.
it, call
So
it
no,
out
no.
on
So
Twitter,
alright, no,
or
no.
just
If you
file a
were to
case.
make a joke
File a case
based on
against
Islam,
him.
let's say,
File a
no,
case
let's
in
say
the
if you were
court.
to make a joke. Yes, so they did, and guess what? This magazine went further and beyond and provoked it even more. They didn't say like, "Oh, we did it bad." They literally provoked it more. And guess what? The prime minister is literally taking their side now. But I'm not saying like make a joke. All right, it's fine. Like make a joke. Circumcisions, the Islamists have that, right? Every Muslim, alright, make a joke on that. Alright, it's a light-hearted joke. But to make a joke on literally one of the most important figures on the whole in the whole religion, not only that, literally portraying that person into a negative light when you know other people from other religion have absolutely no idea about it, portraying that in a completely different way which is not even true, then that's just not satirical. People, of course, are gonna take extreme offense to it because it is extreme. Like, make like jokes about Muslims. Yeah, alright, everyone can. Even Muslims laugh at it. Like most of my Muslim friends, they laugh at such jokes. But if you're gonna make such extreme jokes, then of course you know what's gonna happen.
Yeah,
Like, that's
so
that's not even a prediction. You
if it's
know
gonna
this
happen,
is
if
going
it's
to
wrong and
happen.
it's gonna happen, no. I guess it's not the reason that you should
Exactly.
not do it. I have not seen the cartoon, to be honest. I have no interest in seeing that cartoon as far as I'm
Yeah,
concerned.
you should. It's just
But but but
dumb, man.
but if you are taking offense, if see, I am highly opinionated person. If I have decided to put myself on Twitter, if someone takes offense on it, then I'm not gonna kill them. I'll okay, make cartoons on their gods or good people. If you're that much that, be good back and forth. Apple and Samsung quarrels a lot, right? So do that rather than killing people. And see,
All I'm asking
you'll
is,
garner
are
public
there
support.
not
Okay,
enough topics?
just you
Are
just
are there not enough topics in the entire world? Why do someone has to, even in politics, satire, anything? Why do you have to go based
subjective.
on
It's
religion when you
subjective.
know
See, art,
people
art,
are
art
going to
and
take
culture, art
offense?
and culture drives a
Like, no,
civilization. Okay, pushes the
you
civilization
and
further.
me, you, no, you and me, you know, you and me, we might not take offense to it, but we know most of the people from your religion as well as my religion, most of the people will, you know, they will. We might not, but like, more majority of the people will. We know that is something that is definitely going to happen. It's going to hurt people's feeling, it's going to have an opposition, and one of the most prominent reason for them to do this was the publicity. They even stated that, did they not? They did that, didn't they?
I did not. I'm not aware of
Yeah, I
that
think they
publicity part.
did.
Okay.
I might be wrong, but I think they did.
I have no idea. See, I
But
mock my own religion or religious practices. I don't mock my religion, but I mock the religious practices, the figures, the gods, the preachers, the idiots. Okay, and I do it in front of my mom. But there are several of my friends who are very staunch believer of the religion, and
so you wouldn't do that in front of them,
I would,
would
I
you?
just would not see if they ask me, or this one girl asked me to do this in this particular event of, like, it was a particular festival of us. Okay, so I blatantly said no, and when she pushed me to say why, I gave her a 15 minutes of monologue why, and she got offended, and I'm like, I don't care enough. You pushed me there, but I
I
understand
mean,
people are
if, yeah,
not
if
well,
they are,
people are not
yeah,
well
if they
developed
just,
or not that much tolerant, or it just hurt their sentiment. Okay, so I want to keep the friendship, and I don't care about religion. That's my point. I do not care about religion. But if I can upbring a person, or if I have a child, I would teach him or her to be very, very religiously tolerant, or just don't give a flying fuck about anything like that. This does not.
yeah, exactly. So, but if you did say no, they shouldn't have pushed it. Like, simple as that. You just don't go to the extremes.